Madison Preparatory Academy, our students use the world as a classroom. There are highly qualified and caring teachers, and the culture is safe and friendly. Our students are being prepared to compete locally, nationally, and internationally with strategies that enhance 21st century learning skills. High expectations are the reality of Madison Prep, a beacon for students seeking to prepare for higher education. Madison Preparatory Academy is a part of the Community School for Apprenticeship Learning charter school organization located in Baton Rouge, Louisiana, serving students in grades 9 through 12. Madison Prep nurtures students' hopes and transforms them into possibilities by serving their interests, encouraging enthusiasm for learning and life, and maintaining high expectations across the curriculum. Students understand that failure is not an option. It is incumbent upon us to motivate, strengthen, and support our students by helping them to cultivate the best in themselves and the Baton Rouge community.
I am a Madison Prep Charger.